What's up guys, so the company Xiaomi has finally announced the new Mi Play through an event held in China. The phone's packaging is quite simple, with a word play printed on the front. This phone is the beginning of the new Play series by the company. Flipping the package, you will find some more details about the device. The phone is not much powerful, but yes, it is less expensive. So here it is mentioned that it comes with up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It has 3 color variants: Twilight Gold, Fantasy Blue, and Black. The pricing detail is not here, and it will be provided in description. Opening up the package, first you will find a leaflet containing some documentations. The leaflet has been designed very well, similar to the package. Checking inside, you will get some basic stuffs, like a quick start guide and a SIM ejector tool. You will also get a transparent case over here, which is flexible. So there's nothing new here. Here's a manual, along with some warranty paperwork. So this is only for consumers of China, and it is basically a SIM card. This will benefit you by providing 10 GB of free high-speed data for 12 months, and for absolutely free. Now, here's the phone itself, first from Xiaomi to carry a circular notch. It is also beautiful, with a gradient finish and a glass back. The phone looks much different from other devices by the company. This is a Gorilla Glass protection, so it may protect the phone from minor scratches. The Mi Play has a pretty compact design, having a 5.84-inch screen. The phone looks attractive, with that small notch on the top. Now moving to other accessories. The phone comes with the Type-C cable, which is nice to see. And here's a power adapter, having support of 10 watts charging. Can be set a fast charger for budget phones. So this is all we get here. Let's move further to the phone. The Mi Play has a 5.84 inches massive screen, with a water drop notch on the top. The display is vibrant, with full HD plus resolution of 1080 into 2280 pixels. It has pretty good viewing angle, thanks to a better aspect ratio. In addition, it has 1500 by 1 contrast ratio, and a pixel density of 432 ppi. The display has pretty good response, with an eye protection mode. It is the first phone by the company that comes with this type of drop notch. Apart from this, there's also a big chin at the bottom, which doesn't look great at all. The circular notch comes with an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, supporting facial recognition. There's also an earpiece, just over the top of the notch. The build of the phone looks promising, and here's 3.5mm headphone jack. The frame of the phone is also blue, and it is eye-catching. The Mi Play has a beautiful and a gradient-looking finish. The design of this phone is much better than other budget phones by the company, thanks to shiny glass back over a dull metal back. The phone shows different variations under different lighting conditions. This phone shows that the company starts focusing on the design. Anyways, there's a vertically arranged dual camera sensors here, together with a fingerprint sensor on the center. The Mi logo is at the bottom, and overall, the phone looks astonishing. What are your opinions about its design? Do let me know in comments below. However, even with Gorilla Glass, I could notice some scratches at the back. So a case would be a perfect solution for it. The phone resembles a lot to the design of Lenovo Z5S, launched few days ago. So the camera sensors at the back here is a combination of 12-megapixel primary sensor paired with a secondary 2-megapixel sensor for capturing depth details for bokeh images. The sensors are supported with HDR, EIS, and a bunch of AI features. Now, let's have a look to the camera samples taken from this phone. Moving to the performance, the Mi Play is powered by a new chipset from MediaTek, the Helio P35. but I am quite disappointed with its benchmark scores, as it doesn't look promising. It is something similar to the Snapdragon 625. So we can say, the company has compromises with the hardware department. However, it has a feature called CPU and GPU turbo technology, so you didn't face problem during gaming. So let's check how it handles the game. So if you love playing games like PUBG, then it is suitable budget phone for it. Even at high graphics, there's not much noticeable frame drops or lags. But you can't able to play games for a long time in this phone, as it has only 3000 mAh battery. For sure, it is not much attractive and powerful. But yes, it is inexpensive too. So you can trust this phone, which carries a price tag of only $160. What are your opinions about this device? Do let us know in comments section. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.